Hello, my name is Dawn, and I'm a patient of Dr. Gulani's. I am from Pennsylvania. I first met Dr. Gulani probably 5 years ago or more when my eye surgeon said, "There's nothing I can do for you. You made the choice to have RK surgery years ago, and there's nothing we can do to fix your vision now that you have a cataract." I looked through medical journals and did some reading, found Dr. Gulani's name here in Jacksonville, Florida, and came down for my first surgery with Dr. Gulani. It went incredible. It was wonderful. My left eye has done great ever since that surgery 5 years ago. Fast forward 5 years into the future, I have another cataract, of course, on my right eye. I'm on the table with what I thought was a very progressive local surgeon in Pennsylvania, and my IV's in and he's ready to operate, and I was number 4 of 26 surgeries that day, which had me a little anxious. I was surprised. I thought, oh my gosh, he's going to do 26 of these surgeries. Right before they put me out, the surgeon came back to me. He said, "Dawn, I can't do this. I'm sorry. I don't have the ability. I'm afraid to go ahead. You're not going to be happy with the results, and I don't want to put you through that." So then he came back and said, when I asked what do we do from here, his advice was wait till the cataract is fully right, but where it's to a point where when you do come back, we'll go ahead and operate and you'll be much happier with the results. Basically, once it gets bad enough, you'll be happy with any sight that I can give you. So that was awful. I was frustrated, I was upset, depressed, sad, hard for me, hard for my family, and I thought, I'm going to go back to Dr. Gulani. So I called Dr. Gulani's office, sent the records down, told them what I had experienced, and of course, after a brief free phone conference with Dr. Gulani, he said, "Come on down, Dawn, we can do something." And we came down and we were just amazed again. I'm 1 day post-op. I had my surgery yesterday. I have a 10-cut RK eye, and I can actually see today. I'm not sure what level I'm seeing at, but it's wonderful. The surgical suite here is so amazing. The first time I was here, we went to the surgery center and had it done. This time when we came, Dr. Gulani took us back to the surgical suite he now has on site. It is amazing, beautiful, comfortable. He cares about patients, and not only was the surgery center here amazing, the suite at Dr. Gulani's, what probably was one of the most rewarding experiences for myself and my husband Rod was meeting the other patients. Instead of number 4 of 26 today, I was number 2 of 4 or 5 at the most, and we got to meet those other patients, and it was extremely rewarding and comforting and nice to sit with them and share our stories and talk about what we all went through just to get to the point of being here at Dr. Gulani's and to be able to have some vision restored to us versus other doctors that are a little hesitant to try anything and say, sorry, good luck. But it's been amazing, and now we have lots of new friends from everywhere around the world, as well as Dr. Gulani and his wonderful staff. If I talk to other eye surgeons, and I will in the future, and I can just say, please, be a Dr. Gulani. Please don't be afraid to try something new, especially with your post-RK patients. We knew what we chose to do to our eyes 25, 30 years ago, and we would make the same decisions again to have that because it was an amazing surgery and gave us amazing vision for years. So we don't regret the decision. Please don't you regret that we had it and feel that there's no options or no help. You can work with Dr. Gulani. He will help. He will guide you in any way needed, and please don't be afraid to try this. We're 1 day post-op, as I said, and we're heading back to Pennsylvania today, and it's amazing. We had very little, if any, pain during surgery. I think more just anxiety, thinking there was going to be, and there wasn't. It was a shock. It was great. I guess that's all I can say other than please, please be as caring about your patients as Dr. Gulani is. You will feel much better in the long run as well as your patients. Thank you.